It's officially summer when even the wind feels warm. This is Miggy and he spends all day with me in an air-conditioned office. But today, while I spent the weekend gardening outside, I wanted to make something simple for him to stay cool too. Not a fancy project, not expensive, just something functional, shaded, and comfortable. A little summer tub for him. Most of the materials I used were already here in the garden. Some fallen tree branches, a few pieces of wire to hold everything together, a weed barrier I ordered online, and these potted plants that will serve as natural shade and support. Honestly, I like projects like this more than buying ready-made things. There's something satisfying about building around what you already have. First, I trimmed the branches down to size. The goal here wasn't perfection, just creating a sturdy rectangular frame that could hold water safely. And yes, this part definitely took more effort than I expected. Wood always looks lighter until you actually start carrying and cutting it under the summer heat. Once the branches were in place, I secured them together using wire.
Tama ba? Hindi, dito ba? This isn't easy.
For the liner, I used a weed barrier sheet. Normally, these are used underneath soil or gravel to block unwanted weeds, but they're also thick enough to help contain water for small DIY projects like this.
Ang init ko dito. You're so hot. I'm hot. You're so hot. Too hot. Too hot. Di ba dapat dito na lang? Dito na dito.
I layered it carefully inside the frame and made sure the corners were tight. At this point, it finally started looking like an actual tub. I placed the tub beside the potted plant so it could stay shaded for most of the afternoon.
Hintayin daw niya mapuno. Be satisfied. Nikki looks satisfied. Hey, you're still there. It's already afternoon.